Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to hide your name in Valorant. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. First up, just go ahead and open up your Valorant game. Now once you're in here, just head over to the gear icon right here at the top right. Click on it. Now go to settings. In here in these tabs right here, just go ahead and make sure that you select general. Now under general, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the option called Hide My Riot ID from players outside my party. Turn it on. Now if you don't want to see any names for players outside your party, you can go ahead and toggle this on. Alright. For example, if you toggle this on, if you have a Raze or Reyna player, you will only see Raze or Reyna. Alright. You won't be able to see their name or username. I'm just going to leave it off. Alright. Now, if you want to turn on Hide My Riot ID from players outside my party, they won't be able to see your name. They'll only be able to see the character which you're currently using. All right. For example, you're using Raze. They will only see Raze when they press tab or in the scoreboard. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.